everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm giving my sitting area a fresh and elegant makeover using a few beautiful statement pieces. A console table with 4 stunning egg-shaped mirrors above it, 2 stylish accent chairs with black and gold pillows, and 2 gold and white canvases. If you love simple, classy design, this one's for you. Let's jump right in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content. I always start with a good clean. I'm removing everything from the area so we can reset the space completely. A clean base makes decorating so much easier. I'm dusting down the walls, vacuuming the floor, and giving all the surfaces a good wipe, including where the console table and chairs will go. Don't forget those corners. It's the little things that make a big difference. Spacing and alignment are key here. I'm measuring to make sure they're evenly hung and balanced across the console. These mirrors are the perfect blend of modern and chic, and they create a beautiful focal point. Now it's time to bring in the console table. I'm placing it along the main wall. It's a sleek and functional piece that brings structure to the room. On top, I'm going with a minimal, elegant look. A gold heart shape, an acrylic book stand with a boob on, and a simple floral arrangement. This will keep the area looking polished without feeling cluttered. Above the console, I'm hanging 4 beautiful egg-shaped mirrors. I love how they reflect light and add height to the space. On the opposite side of the area, I'm bringing in 2 accent chairs. They add comfort and style, and the black and gold pillows really pop against the fabric. The black rounds the space, while the gold ties in beautifully with the other elements we'll be adding shortly. I'm angling the chairs slightly for a more relaxed conversational feel. Next, I'm hanging 2 gold and white canvases. These add contrast, warmth, and texture to the space. I'm placing them near the console table to help balance the visual weight of the mirrors on the other side. The gold brings in a cohesive look that runs throughout the entire space. And here it is, a fresh, clean sitting area with timeless elegance and a touch of glam. I hope this inspired you to refresh your own space. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share it with someone who loves home decor. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.